Hello and welcome. Today, I want to tell you about my trip to the supermarket. While I tell the story, I'll explain some new English words. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy learning. It was a calm morning. I opened the fridge and realized it was almost empty. No milk, no eggs, no bread, nothing. I thought, okay, time to go shopping. I grabbed my shopping list, my wallet, and a reusable bag. Do you know what a shopping list is? It's a small paper where you write all the things you need to buy. For example, milk, bread, apples, rice. I put on my comfortable shoes and went outside. The sunlight was soft and the air felt fresh. Walking to the supermarket, I could see people walking their dogs and kids playing. Everything looked lively and bright. When I arrived, I picked up a shopping basket. A basket is something you carry in your hands to put the items you want to buy. If you have a lot of items, you can use a shopping cart, which has wheels. The supermarket was big and bright. I smiled and started walking through the aisles. Do you know what an aisle is? It's a long space between shelves. Each aisle has different items: fruits, vegetables, snacks, drinks, and more. I went to the fruits and vegetables section first. I picked apples, tomatoes, and lettuce. I smelled the oranges, fresh and sweet. Then I picked some bananas, nice and yellow. A worker asked me, "Do you want a bag?" I said, "Yes, please," and put the fruits into a small plastic bag. Do you know what fresh means? It means new, clean, and healthy. Perfect for eating. Next, I went to the dairy section. I bought milk, cheese, and yogurt. Then I saw my favorite chips, and they were on sale. Do you know what on sale means? It means cheaper than usual. I smiled and added them to my basket. It was time to pay. I stood in line behind two people. When it was my turn, the cashier said, "Hello, did you find everything okay?" I replied, "Yes, thank you." She scanned my items and said, "That will be $20. I paid with my card. Easy and fast. She said, "Have a nice day." I smiled and said, "You too." At home, I put everything in its place. Milk in the fridge, bread on the counter, fruits in the bowl. I made myself a small snack and a cup of coffee. It felt great to have everything organized. Organized means neat, tidy, and in the right place. I sat by the window, enjoyed my snack, and looked outside. The street was calm, and I felt peaceful. Sometimes the small moments like this make your day better. So today, I went to the supermarket. I bought fruits, milk, and some snacks. I paid at the cashier and came back home. Now it's your turn. What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Do you prefer fruits, vegetables, or snacks? Write your answer in the comments and practice your English. Remember, easy English every day, better English every day. Less fear, more English. Stay curious and have fun. See you next time.